Hey, welcome to a vlog. So I just wanted to come in and show you all this nice bag that I got from Amazon. Here's the shoulder strap that comes with the bag. I haven't even taken anything off. Me and my husband are planning to go on a little getaway tomorrow. Today is Thursday. I think it's the 14th, Thursday the 14th. So we'll be leaving tomorrow. And this is a weekender bag that I got off Amazon. Down here, you can store shoes, which of course I have not done any of that because I just got the bag and I wanted to share it all with you. We'll share it with you all. And then I picked up this little bag here to like keep all of my cosmetics. So basically like a cosmetic bag. I haven't bought a cosmetic bag maybe in like 10 years. So I got this one from TJ Maxx for $16.99. And I just thought it was cute. It matched the bag, black. You know, I'm not too fond of the polka dots because it gives me like cow print, but it's okay. And bam, got a little hanger here for like to hang it up. And it's just clear. And as you can see, I haven't even had a chance to use it, open it. Well, I opened it in a store, but I wanted to show you all. So I'm not going to bore you with like doing a pack with me or anything like that because our little weekend getaway literally is only for 48 hours. Today is Thursday. We're leaving tomorrow. We'll be home Sunday, which from Friday to Sunday. But I just thought I would share this bag. I got it from Amazon. I'll link this. I don't think I'll be able to link this, of course, because it was from TJ Maxx, but I'll definitely link this. It was, I want to say it was either $44 or $36, but it's huge. So, you know, if you're just going on a little weekend getaway, this is perfect. Me, I was having to carry like my small like carry-on that I would normally use to go on the plane. It was too big to just go out of town with, you know, like a little quick getaway. So here we go. Here's the straps. And once I get it all packed and ready to go, I'll show you all how much it can hold and what it looked like on.
Cause they hate seeing black people having some fun. Yeah, but never mind all that. We taking off to the Afro future, not coming back. You can groove it or lose it. We done waiting it back. I should feel your energy in the back. Yeah. Whoa, yeah. Whoa, yeah. Whoa, yeah. Hey, whoa. Ooh, we taking off. Ooh, yeah. We in the cloud. Ooh, yeah. Having a ball. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, I just wanna be.
Hey, today is Wednesday. I'm sitting in the car. Me and my husband are on our way. I told you on the last vlog that we were going out of town. So we're on our way to, I'm taking y'all with me. So I'm gonna show y'all where we going. We're gonna try something adventurous too. But I guess I picked the wrong day today to put on a white shirt and it's pouring down rain. And as you can see, like, why would it decide to rain today? But it is supposed to be nice tomorrow. At least it's not chilly. Like, Georgia weather for this month has been bipolar. So I'm grateful that it's not at least cold, chilly, and raining. I'll take the rain. It's not gonna rain on our parade. Anyway, I just wanted to drop in real quick. Sit here looking at this sandwich that's on this display. I am starving. But that's my husband. He didn't know if I had got in the car or not. But yeah.
I'm sitting there waiting on you. You got all fast as hell.
I know. I've been in the car. All right, y'all. So we about to jump back on the road and see y'all in a minute.
With you tonight is on an island. It's about time we're waking up. Times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I didn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone.
It would be crazy because everywhere we go, that means that somebody having an event.
Arrived.
All right, we have made it to our hotel. We are in downtown Chattanooga, for everybody to know. And we are staying at the Westin Chattanooga. Westin Chattanooga. Very nice. This is my first time ever staying here.
Oh, we through, right?
Yeah. Not that bad. What I said it was 326.
326. So
Oh no, it's over here. 323. It's around here. Wait, how did we get to 8 and just skip 6? 323. What that is?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that was weird.
All right. Come on, my love. Come on, my love.
Okay, just the basic little.
Yeah.
It look more modern on the picture though.
Showed you, bro. Motherfuckers got us again.
Oh yeah, I think it's right there. The other way.
All right, cool. Let me chill for a minute.
All right, we're going down to the elevator. In the elevator, going down. Me and my boo. About to go check out the bar, see what it's like. We don't need to go over there and looking at pastries, but I do need to go to the little store to go and get some. Oh yeah, I do need to go and get some like what do you call it? Like sanitizer spray. Gosh, I couldn't even get my words together. So we're about to go and have a couple of drinks. We actually just gonna eat dinner across the street at the restaurant across the street. So yeah, just a little getaway, something to do. So let me get over here to this bar and then we can figure out to do? You're supposed to sit at the table. Oh, they had a little. You want to sit over there in the corner by the window? Huh? You want to sit at the bar? Oh. Let me show y'all the kids that getting ready for prom. We're gonna eat at the restaurant too across the street. I'll show you.
And I wonder if the bridesmaid shoes match.
I'm wondering if we need to make reservations because I think he said something. The check-in guy here said that they were having prom. So it probably is going to be a little crowded over there now that I actually sit here and think about it. But who knows?
You could be my everything. We could cuddle and then wrestle like we're enemies. You could run your fingers through my hair, cause that's my favorite thing, it'll forever be. Yeah. Not to think too far ahead, but when I think too far ahead, I see us retired, chilling in a big estate with a queen-size bed, eating a king-size breakfast made by private chefs. I mean, okay, maybe that's extra. Maybe we grow up and want less than that. Maybe I save the funds and we move somewhere fun like a lakeside flat. Guess I can make time to think about that when it's more than just daydreaming. But I mean, hey, all the scheming.
That's some gumbo.
Hello. Good.
These streets too in.
Oh, it's pretty.
Ginger scallion rice with a ribeye steak and some mushroom.
I can edit you out. We just ate, stuffed, some capacity. Just walking around, we just spent the block. I'm a little chilly. I left my jacket in the room. It's like prom season. So many girls and guys dressed up for the prom.
Girls and guys, damn cute.
I like girls and guys. Ooh. Oh, that's a nice view. See the mountain right there behind us? Right there. So I forgot to show y'all our food, but I had a filet mignon, French fries. I'm telling you, I went fat girl style today. Filet mignon, French fries, Brussels sprouts, grilled shrimp,
Cheesecake.
cheesecake.
I will forget that good.
Well, I half, because he ate some. I probably ate more though. But it was so good. All the food was good. So we probably are about to go to the room. I mean, not go to the room, but go to our hotel and probably, drink for the rest of the night? Because the bar closed at 10:45, so.
And I just seen a raindrop.
Huh?
You saw a raindrop.
So we'll probably just go to the room. I mean, I keep saying to the room, go back to our hotel and have some drinks.
I thought I said lunch is on us.
Bar's probably, oh, it's not packed. We'll sit outside, but I think everything is probably
You said it's too cold.
wet. Yeah. Plus, I think stuff is probably
On the
wet.
other side?
Yeah. I don't know. They have some kind of convention going on, so it's super loud in here now. And obviously, they have live music, so I'll get back with y'all because it's way too loud in here. Good morning. Good morning. Today is Saturday. It is about 10:30. I'm actually about to run across the street and grab coffee and maybe like a little something to eat. But I just wanted to come and show y'all my little basic outfit of the day for our activities that we are doing. Got on the faithful Tevas because Tevas, if you know, you know. They are the most comfortable shoe. Just some basic jeans. I think I got these from Target. These probably the only ones that aren't too big. And then another t-shirt that I got from Old Navy. So just something comfortable. I wish the t-shirt was a little shorter and not as big, but it is what it is. I got it on and I'm wearing it. So I will take y'all with us with what we're doing this afternoon. One thing about us, Nah, what'd you say? One thing about us, we will find them all, right?
Yep. We're going to find them all.
I don't know why that is, but we're not going to do no shopping. We both need a belt. My belt is too big and he forgot his. So that's why we had them all. We just going into belt. Oh, it's a belt. Going into belt to get a belt and then going to Ruby Falls. My camera look funny because it's cloudy. But yeah, that's how we're doing. The footage wasn't right. Like they're probably over there in the corner. I mean, I can. I just need a black one. Let me try on these belts, y'all. So we just made it to Ruby Falls. But let me tell you, the drive to get up here. What? No, you walking right in front of that picture. Thank you. Oh, dude. Where are we going to the cafe?
I don't know.
Let me tell you, so the drive up here had me so scared. You gotta look on that side.
Melancholy days are gone. All the lonely grave I knew. Everything I waited on went from a dark place to you. I know you felt my pain, done that, been there. I know you know the way I feel when life's unfair. Now my energy is fading. I know you are aware, but I feel wide awake, and your hands are in my hair. So stay a while. So stay a while. Or stay.
Imagina fora, você nem vê, você olha pra de dentro. Anos e anos, parece. 30 anos. Parece inacreditável, né? E das fraturas também, ele migra pra fratura e vem. Mas não é essa. Essa fratura é muito ruim.
A Rose sempre olhando pra trás.
it's like inside of this old school building. I guess it's like an old railroad track or railroad station, train station. This is one, but it was on the list on TikTok, but we're not eating here. I know.
You want to eat here?
Okay, y'all enjoy. Thank you. You're welcome. Oh, I didn't know this was on this side. I'm having some type of allergic reaction, but breakfast at the Stir was a 10 out of 10 to me.
Girl.
It wasn't a 10 out of 10?
Hell no.
Well, what was it?
Yeah, 6.5. 10 out of 10 is the one in Gatlinburg.
Oh, yeah. Oh, rockets. It was good to me. I mean, it was a simple breakfast, but it was good. I had, as you've seen, I had the eggs, the grits, biscuit, all of that. It was good. Today is Monday the 17th. We just got back yesterday. We had a very, very eventful weekend. Like, we had a ball, like we always do. Let me give you a couple of my recommendation. If you ever go to Chattanooga, Tennessee, definitely go to Ruby Falls. It's a fun experience. It's like $30 or $35 per person, but it's very fun. It's very informative, and it's something different. Like, it's something to do. If you're scared of heights or claustrophobic, I would probably say no. And I say scared of heights, meaning the drive up there was scary. Excuse my dog for barking. But yes, very scary. And then second of all, if you're claustrophobic, you will be literally 1,200 feet underground. The elevator itself is a glass door elevator, so you can see as you're going down, and the elevator takes you down, I think he said like 200 and something feet down underneath, and then you kind of walk the trail, which is about the whole tour lasted maybe about an hour and a half, but it was fun. It wasn't anything scary about it. Nothing made me nervous. I was nervous for the thought before we went and did it, and I watched YouTube videos. And of course, you're just thinking like underground, being that far. But honestly, it was fun. It was, like I said, it was nothing to be afraid of. Unless you are claustrophobic, I would say don't even waste your time. But there's other things to do there. They have a little cafe there that sells like little like bite-sized food, drinks. I don't think alcohol, but like, coffee, soda, things like that. What else? My experience at the Westin, very nice hotel. The rooms were redone. I mean, you can kind of tell it was an older hotel that they just remodeled, but it's nice, very nice. The bar area was nice. The restaurant, we did not eat. No, I take that back. We did. We had food there one night, and my salmon wasn't cooked all the way. But other than that, I mean, it was good. It wasn't bad. I'm trying to think. I don't think there was anything else too much that we did that I didn't show you all. We kind of just went, like I said, to hang out like we always do. We just, like to get away, try different things. When we go somewhere, we always try to find something fun, something that we've never done before, or if we've done it before, we can say we've never done it, in such and such state or whatever. So we did that. And like I said, we had a really, really good time. I'm actually headed back out. Today is Monday. I'll be leaving to go to Orlando tomorrow. So I'll be taking you all along with me then. So yeah, but I did want to go in. Where am I going? I wanted to come in, close this vlog out, tell y'all my experiences. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I love to have you. And I'm gonna see y'all on the next one. Oh. If you see, like, my neck is like so red, it's going through that tretinoin. It's taking my skin through. I have looked it up. I've called my dermatologist. Everything that I'm going through is normal. But man, it is really one of those things where it's like you have to trust the process. So if you see my neck and my face looking a little funny on the video, please ignore it. I know it looks bad, but it's gonna get better. So I just wanted to throw that out there. But let me go ahead and close this video out, and I will see you all on the next one.